let's begin here with a base cost. Okay, so the base cost is the cost that we incur in producing the lowest version. Okay, the lowest version, and here it is $5. So the base cost will be $5. Now, what is the additional cost for each version? Since the lowest version is where we start, therefore, there's no additional costs. But the middle version, we will add $1 to the base cost to produce the middle version. And we will add $2 to the base cost to produce the highest version, version 3. So, in summary, the total costs for the lowest version will be 5, which is computed by adding 0 to the base cost 5. The total cost for the middle version is 6, and it is obtained by adding $1 to the base cost, $5. And the highest version, the cost is 7, total cost 7, and you obtain that by adding $2 to the base cost, which is $5. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then that we have computed the costs, $5 for the lower version, $6 for the middle version, $7 for the highest version. Let's now compute profits, where we have to keep in mind that the price stays the same for those three versions. In this instance, let's pick $25. So with $25 being the price, how do we compute profits? In the lowest version, we obtain $20, which is 25 minus $5 the cost. For the middle version, we obtain $19, which is obtained by taking 25 minus 6. In the highest version, the profit is 18. We obtain that by doing 25 minus 7. And this is how we compute those profits for each version. Now, we now have to understand how the rating is performed based on price or cost. For the investor, we realize that for the highest profits, which is $20, they're rating 3 stars out of 4, which makes sense because it is where they're getting the most profit. And that will be the lower version. And then they rate 2 star for the middle version, and they rate 1 star for the higher version. Why? Because this is where the profit is the lowest. So the lower the profit, the smaller the number of stars. Now let's see how customers rate their versions. Well, it happened that for the version with the lowest cost, they are rating 1 star. Why? Because it is the least sophisticated. And because the prices are the same for those three versions, well, they will obviously pick the product that is more sophisticated at the same price. So they're giving the product, the version with less sophistication, 1 star. And the middle version, 2 stars. And the highest version, which is the most sophisticated, 3 stars, if they all cost the same price. So this will be an explanation of how stars are distributed or rated with investors or customers.